What is up, YouTube? I'm Adam and welcome back to Mustang Nation. So my 99 Mustang GT already has LED headlights and you can check that out. I'll put a card right up here if you want to see that install video. But it also has the stock halogen Ford fog lamps. And while they do a pretty good job of lighting up the road, they kind of look crummy right next to those really crisp looking LED headlamps. So what we're going to do today is make them look a little bit better and get some more light output. So let's go over to the bench. What we have here is a set of LED fog lamps for the Mustang GT. It's a set of 50 watt, 5000 Kelvin LED lights. So here's our stock Mustang GT halogen fog lamp bulb. It is in model number 899. This one here is an 880, I think an 881 as well, but as you can see, they are identical as far as length. The bases are exactly the same, and even the plugs underneath are exactly the same. So this should pop in with absolutely no difficulty. It should be a direct swap, and hopefully it'll give us a brighter light, actually using less power. So let's get back over to the car and pop it in. With the driver's side done, you can see it produces a much wider light, and it is a better match for the LED headlights. Plus, it seems to throw a good amount more light than the passenger side. So let's get over to the passenger side and finish this thing up. With both the passenger side and the driver's side installed, you can see they look really, really good. And now the fog lamps do a much better job of matching up to the headlights. Nighttime visibility has also improved, with the beam throwing a little bit wider than it did before. So I have to say I'm pretty impressed with how these Cougar Motor LED bulbs went in. I like how it is a brighter light. Now I could have changed these fog lamps from the OEM Ford fog lamps to some clear driving lamps to get a little bit of a different look, maybe a more modern look. But to be honest, I actually like the fog lamps, the way they disperse the light to the sides rather than a driving light, which shoots them straight forward. But that might be something, maybe that's something I'll do in the future. But for now, I'm very pleased with how it is. And honestly, these things were less than 20 bucks, and it was a plug-and-play install. It shouldn't take you any more than 10 to 15 minutes to swap out your stock bulbs to these. Direct fit, no wiring changes, just unplug and plug them back in. And since they are LEDs, they should have a greater lifespan than the halogens and use less power. If you want to pick a set of your own, I'm going to put a link down below where you can click on and buy your very own LED fog lamp bulbs. So that does it for this video. Like I said, if you want to change the look of the front of your car, LED lights really is the way to go. It gives it a more modern look, and at the same time, you get better safety with visibility and throwing out just a stronger, cleaner light. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the section down below. I'll do my very best to answer them. And hey, if you like what you see, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you get all the latest content here on the Mustang Nation channel. So I thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day out there. I'll see you.